Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Dior B23. Okay, so let me start by introducing the box. This is the box, and you see Dior is well printed. Actually, the box usually is rough, so you can see how it's rough. It's not smooth. Okay, and here you see that this is the shoe box label. The shoe picture is here, the serial number and the size. You can check, you can see that there. Okay, now let's open the box. In the box you have Dior dust bag, and you see Dior is also well printed there. Not dust bag, sorry, shopping bag, and you see Dior is well printed there, and the shopping bag is also rough like the box. You can see that there. Okay, now you see the dust bag. That's the dust bag. You see Dior is also well printed on the dust bag there. Okay, and this is the ribbon. You see Dior is also well printed there, and this ribbon has vertical lines. You can see that there. And you also see this is an envelope. Thank you for buying from Dior. This is the receipt, Dior receipt, with all the details there. Extra lace. That's it. And now let's talk about the shoe. And when you open the box, you see that the shoe is well protected from dust. You will never receive a dirty shoe. It will always be clean because we protect it with this nylon. Okay, let's take out the shoe for more details. Okay, this is the B23. That's it. You see that here is made up of rubber. Dior is well printed here. You can check. And here you will see the bees, and Dior also is well embossed here. And you check the stitching is very immaculate and nice. You can see that there. And the lace piece is in silver color. That's it. So I'll give you a brief close look video on this shoe, so don't worry, you will see it well. And for all those who want to know more about this shoe, you can just contact me. I'll leave my contact at the description below, so we can talk more about this shoe. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Please don't forget to
What's up?